Kiama ya IPOA nilungita kaunti ya Meru kenda ko kiamaoni kuma kire akari yenda kumenyorani ndiba kurutira Kenya ngwe na kire ndionga ya ontere mwanya Kenya bawugite bare ndago tarirwa mantere direta kinyela kia Kenya kenda bayatange kirabatongere tunumukarigete o Isaac Hassan na batareti ne baguchunko na komya kibira kinyaboridi ibo bagwete bya nambere makareka ya ogotani otai Kenya oningona ndindiranirite Ronaldo.
As part of our mandate, we have come to the regions to meet with our staff, to meet with our stakeholders, to hear them, to get the feedback on IPOA operations.
Nyugambi bo Isaac Hassan uranwe mukarigite warangirwa IPOA kana Independent Policing Oversight Authority aitariria tomi kendionga yomiro. Nawe munene kana CEO wa IPOA ele mahalake na tariti baina mamba nkuru kiamana ili eraiti tenambere ndeni ya koti mwanya ndegurune.
We have 34 convictions, but we have over 250 ongoing court cases across the country. These are only the criminal cases we have investigated and have been approved by the Director of Public Prosecution, and they are currently running in court.
Na kongela na kuontubunge buraba kubuide boetomi muno ni utirane ndi bakwidira bakyura kyantaire ingecha kudiria madina ya redirite akiona ka kirirwangirora boridi yare amona kwaya nan tairengi chioteveria kwagirebya rwangiro.
But besides that, we do a lot of also administrative and disciplinary recommendations, which we have been sharing with the National Police Service Commission and of course the Inspector General of the Police. So those are the numbers.
Re makarika yantoko wato tae bagwete ni ontoba kumenya buryo ende na bakubidi ochunkuni akiwa tweti kya boridi no bedire nende bakiyo tumairwa kubidi ontobo.
Besides that, on the issue of abductions, we of course seized of the matter. We have been making follow-ups. We have been on it. We have been investigating. On the recent cases, the position of the authorities is that we have an ongoing investigation, which at this point we can't be able to say the police are involved or the police are not involved. The investigations are ongoing. As you are aware, this is a matter which is also being canvassed in court, and we have already clearly went even to court and presented the preliminary findings.
Isaac Hassan kinyawe na direte akiwa taila untubu na kuwa atiweti kia boridi barikirebuo nonto kinyawe rira muntu wakuwa atuate kuidira aika kwa kambine ya boridi.
Of course, there's concern about the public's confidence in the IPOA. But when you look at those abductions, and actually we came into office at a time when there was a lot of, in December, and even before that, a lot of abductions and concern in Kenya about these enforced disappearances. But the IG came out and said, you know, they are not our officers. And you see, IPOA is works on an act of parliament, and we investigate misconduct by police officers. And now when you have got people who are in hoods with fake number plates, who are abducting people, and then they take them not to a police station but to a different place. I think these are issues that even the police must investigate.
Kongela na kuandeni ya Meru wake baina madeta nkuru kiangirie moyara ya kinyete mbere yo yara ninde bakwidira bakiwa ya mwakinye yedirite ya kidikairwa na kurekia ende kure yara kinya na magamba ndeni ya koti.
The complaints are over 1,000 which we've been able to receive in this region, the Meru region, and we have some convictions. A lot of cases we've been able also to resolve through the administrative and the disciplinary processes. There are also ongoing court cases as late as even today.
Na kendo tira iba kwaya no tungata kinyankuru kikira Kenya ni bawete bakaromba dirikari otira nendo bichicha IPOA ni chukinya konto mwanya deni andiguru ya Kenya.
And that's the reason, the whole essence of decentralization of IPOA services, and that is why we wish And through Parliament, we will continue to make a case for decentralization of IPOA services to bring services closer to wananchi.